the ultimate guide to best Bibles. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Bibles, uncovering the most searched options to help you find the perfect one for your spiritual journey. Whether you're a seasoned believer or just starting to explore, this ultimate guide will shed light on the diverse choices available. So, grab your notepads, let's get started. Translation matters. Our first stop on this Bible exploration is the matter of translations. With countless versions out there, it's essential to understand the differences. From the widely revered King James Version to modern ones like the New International Version, we'll break down the pros and cons to guide your decision. Here are the study Bibles unveiled. These gems are packed with insightful commentary, historical context, and helpful tools. We'll review renowned study Bibles like the ESV Study Bible and the Life Application Study Bible, giving you a glimpse into their unique features. Creative Journaling Bibles. Now, let's explore the artistic side of Scripture with Creative Journaling Bibles. These beautifully designed editions allow you to interact with the text through creative expression. From intricate illustrations to wide margins for note-taking, we'll showcase how these Bibles can enhance your spiritual experience. Digital Age Bible Apps. In this digital age, Bible apps have revolutionized the way we engage with Scripture. We'll take a closer look at popular apps like YouVersion and Olive Tree, discussing their features, accessibility, and convenience. Whether you're on the go or prefer a tech-savvy approach, these apps have got you covered. Niche and specialized Bibles. Did you know there are Bibles tailored to specific interests and needs? Join us as we explore niche Bibles, such as devotionals for couples, recovery-focused editions, and even Bibles for kids. Discover how these specialized options can provide a unique perspective on your faith journey. Budget-friendly picks. We understand that finding the perfect Bible shouldn't break the bank. In this part, we'll reveal budget-friendly options that don't compromise on quality. Exploring affordable choices like the Good News Translation and the Holman Christian Standard Bible, you'll see that a limited budget doesn't mean limited access to meaningful Scripture. Making your decision. With our comprehensive guide, you're now equipped to make an informed decision. Consider your preferences, study habits, and spiritual goals as you choose the Bible that resonates with you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but the journey of exploring these options is an exciting part of your faith adventure. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the best Bibles available. Whether you're seeking wisdom, comfort, or guidance, the right Bible can truly be a cherished companion. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest videos. As an added bonus, delve into our latest recommendations provided in the description. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing in your faith.